choosing the diaper size that will best fit your dog, there are two very important measurements to consider. The first is the waist size. The second is the diaper length. When measuring your dog, it is important to refer to the Paw Inspired sizing chart. First, you want to measure the waist size of the dog. Start the measurement at the point where the diaper's waistband will best fit your dog. Our dog's waist is approximately 15 inches. As you can see on the chart, this waist size falls into the category of an extra small or small diaper. The extra small and small diaper have a diaper length of 14 and 16 inches respectively. Next, we want to determine which diaper length best fits our dog. Starting at the waist of the dog's underbelly, measure between its legs and along its spine, finally returning to its waist. Choose the diaper length that will adequately cover all their essential parts while fitting snugly around their waist. After measuring, we can determine the small size diaper length of 16 inches will best fit our dog. To put the diaper on your dog, first, place tabs underneath with the padding facing in. Slip the whole of the diaper over your dog's tail. Then, position the diaper between the back legs and snug against your dog's underbelly. Finally, secure the adjustable tabs of the diaper and you're all set. Give your dog praise and a treat so he has a positive association with this experience. With properly fitting Paw Inspired diapers, you can rest easy, your pet will stay comfortable, dry, and happy.